Mike Sullivan. I'm a former IRS agent and teaching instructor. Welcome to my YouTube station. I have worked thousands of years, it seems, at IRS. No, I've worked thousands of cases in my life. I worked at IRS for a decade. I'm one of the national leaders in tax resolution in the United States. I've been on national TV about many times. Go to my website if you want to learn more about me. This isn't really the place for that. If you need a payment agreement with IRS, you should go get it yourself if you owe under $50,000. Almost everyone who calls me can't pay their tax. By the way, 80% of all people that owe tax, there's 25 million open IRS collection cases. 80% of those people owe under $50,000. You can get your own payment plan. You don't need to call someone like me unless there's something unusual going on. There's a situation, how to get in and out of this really quick if you owe under $50,000, and that's this. If you can make payments over 72 months, equal payments, go ahead and get your own online payment plan. If you can't, that's when you need someone, because IRS is going to want your financial statement. So there's two type of payment agreements you kind of qualify for: the streamlined payment and the part pay agreement. The part pay agreement means IRS wants to look at your financial statement. I was a former agent. You don't want to give IRS your financial statement. It's not that it's bad or this. You're just going to wind up with the payment agreement you don't want. What you don't realize is IRS can only allow so many of your expenses and so much of things, and you're going to wind up with a higher payment agreement. The best thing, what I tell people, is just for free. I don't know if IRS charges $100 or whatever. Just get your streamlined payment for free. Just go to irs.gov, say I want a payment plan, and boom, all this rigmarole pops up. However, if you can't make that payment that they're giving you, that's when you call someone. So I urge everyone to do the one for free. And if you need to make any other payment plan, if you owe over $50,000, any payment plan, you got to give IRS that financial statement. You probably should call someone so IRS doesn't take advantage of you, and they will, because I used to unfortunately do that at IRS because I was taught to do that. I was taught that we wanted every excess dollar that was available to come to the government because we consider that that's our money. So I want to let you know, go the freeway first. If you can't do the freeway, not the driveway freeway, go the freeway for that's pretty cool, the freeway. Do you want a freeway? Anyway, that's what I suggest you do. So irs.gov, qualify for a payment plan. If you need me, call me. I've worked thousands of IRS cases. I try to have you do what you can for free without using a professional, because a lot of people out there kind of rip you off. Anyway, give me a subscription. I tell you the truth. Thank you so much. Always do free first.